इशारा इशारा ये दिया
थोड़ी मागे थैंक यू व्हाट अ शॉट मैम व्हाट अ शॉट
दिया ठोके दे एकदम मजा आ गया
वाओ ओह माय सारा सेंटर सारा
ये दिया सारा जी इधर सारा जी
ओहो सारा जी वाह
सारा जी
भाई झोला नहीं है भाई आप इंग्लिश बोनस मार
ए भाई ये राकेश आवाज दे सारा जी दाखव टोकन आहे इधर थैंक यू अरे ले नाही झालं अजून हो दादा हो अरे झालं ना मागाशी आता फोटो अरे बाबा
अरे यार हो गया ना यार ले लिए ना
Any questions?
I think it's an exciting moment for me also. First time playing for this team. Let's make some memories together.
Tell us something about the Soho.
I can't tell you much because I've only spent a few days with them. But after this tournament, I can tell you a lot more. We'll create.
So as you said, you spent some days with the team right now. How excited are you to work for?
I'm very excited because as I see from the entire support staff, from the entire group, from all the boys, everyone's very excited and very motivated to do well, very excited to learn, and we're all looking forward to an opportunity to express ourselves. Falcons.
How much KKR experience is going to be in this tournament? There you used to play for an impact player for number 4. Here can we see you opening the batting?
वो आपको 4 तारीख को पता चलेगा.
And what about tomorrow? Tomorrow is a big game, RCB versus Punjab. What would you like to say?
I'll say good luck to both the teams and our sober Falcons skipper Shreyas Iyer.
एक हिंदी में जानना चाहेंगे प्रतियोगिता
हाँ जी।
का तीसरा साल है
हाँ जी।
इस तरह से देखते हैं इस इवेंट को और मुंबई का जो यूथ है जो क्रिकेट के लिए आजकल प्रतियोगिता में हिस्सा ले रहा है इनके लिए कितना महत्वपूर्ण है ये पूरा टूर्नामेंट?
मुंबई की यूथ के लिए बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है, बहुत बड़ा मौका है खेलने के लिए और सीखने के लिए, क्योंकि ये बॉम्बे के सारे बेस्ट प्लेयर्स इस टूर्नामेंट में खेलेंगे. श्रेयस भैया, सूर्या भैया, शिवम भैया और बहुत सारे बेस्ट प्लेयर्स. तो फिर मैं इंक्लूडेड, मैं भी यूथ हूँ, तो मैं भी सीखना चाहूँगा इनसे बहुत कुछ, और बाकी सब भी सीखना चाहेंगे इनसे बहुत कुछ, और हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है सीखने के लिए।
श्रेयस अय्यर की कप्तानी को इस बार कितना मिस किया, और वो फाइनल में है ऑलरेडी। पिछले साल आप भी फाइनल में थे, तो इस साल आपने कितना मिस किया, और अजिंक्य रहाणे जो नए कप्तान थे उनके अंडर खेलने में कितना मज़ा आया आपको?
मैं तो कहना चाहूँगा कि दोनों ही इंडिया के ग्रेटेस्ट लीडर्स हैं, बहुत अच्छे लीडर्स हैं, और दोनों ही एक ही तरीके से गेम खेलते हैं जो है जीतना चाहते हैं। और मैं दोनों से ये सीखा हूँ कि जब भी खेलूँ क्रिकेट तो टीम के लिए 100% दूँ। तो दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे लीडर हैं और दोनों के साथ ही खेलने में बहुत मज़ा आता है।
मुंबई T20 लीग की बात करें, काफ़ी सारे प्लेयर्स, शिवम दुबे भी यहाँ से आए थे। ये लीग एक बहुत बड़ा टूर्नामेंट होता है, ये अपॉर्चुनिटी को किस तरह से आप देखते हैं?
अभी मैंने बोला ये सीखने का बहुत बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी है। बॉम्बे के बेस्ट प्लेयर खेलते हैं, तो मैं भी ट्राई करूँगा, और हमारी इंटायर टीम ट्राई करेगी कि जितना ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव हो सकता है डे बाय डे, और जितना अच्छा कर सकते हैं उतना करें।
What about the red ball? Are you looking forward for red ball? रणजी ट्रॉफी में किस तरह से? वाइट बॉल में हमने देखा है, एक आखिरी सवाल है, वाइट बॉल में हमने देखा है आपने, बट रेड बॉल में इतनी देखी नहीं आपकी बैटिंग, तो रेड बॉल को किस तरह से आप देखते हैं?
मुझे तो सारे क्रिकेट खेलने में बहुत मज़ा आता है, वाइट बॉल हो रेड बॉल हो, दोनों ही इक्वली बहुत मज़ा आता है। क्रिकेट खेलने का मौका मिल रहा है मुझे, वही बहुत बड़ी बात है। तो जब भी मैं क्रिकेट खेलूँ, चाहे वाइट बॉल हो रेड बॉल हो, अपना बेस्ट दूंगा।
For the Sobo Mumbai Falcons. And this is the big reveal of our team jersey, the blazing orange, the electric blue, and the Falcons red flight, and of course, battle ready. And we just have had our youngest racer, Mitan Jain, who has presented Mr. Kapil Dev with the the man that we're looking forward to add utmost glory to our very team, ladies and gentlemen. Our team, jersey of the Sobo Mumbai Falcons. Thank you so much to all our team members here. Mitan Jain, a youngest member from the racing, who's just joined us with the, of course, jersey. Thank you so much to all the players along with our racers. Thank you, thanks a lot. Kindly take your seat, and I request Mr. Kapil Dev to kindly stay back with me. But thank you so much, gentlemen. Thanks a lot, and please take your seat. Oh, I should go for it? Alright, first of all, we are in the presence of the man who redefined what sport means to the country. I think you single-handedly have been instrumental in making cricket a religion in this.
Yeah, because I wasn't good in education or any other thing. So my mom said, just go and play. So I just played different sports and I enjoyed myself.
I really enjoyed watching you play. So you have to tell me that you've been associated with the Mumbai Falcons for over 6 years. Talk us through your association with the team.
I think wonderful. When I stopped playing cricket, I don't know much about cricket now, but I always want to do something different. And I met Amit. Thank you very much. He introduced me to something which all the young kids like to enjoy, driving, fast driving. And I wasn't on the right age to drive fast, but I spent time with them in the last few years and really enjoyed it. I said, what a wonderful thing has happened. I stopped playing cricket, but I again got into the different things and I enjoyed every minute.
Wow. Now since you've been a part of motorsport for the last couple of years, how do you witness the Indian market for motorsport?
Sorry.
How do you see the Indian market for motorsport?
I think not only motorsports, in every sports, in last, if I talk about 30 years back, there was only 1 hour on television, Sunday, where they used to show all the sports, whatever in 1 hour we can see. Today, we have 7 channels, 24/7, 11, we see all the sports. So I think the change have taken place only because people love the sports in this country. I don't know why they didn't love during my time, but now I think all, you say badminton, you say kabaddi, you say cricket, you can say hockey, and all the sports. And no, I can't not to talk about car racing or motorbike racing. I think it's so wonderful. It's giving a youngster the opportunity to both their talent and ability. I think wonderful.
That's beautiful, sir. Now, so many youngsters under this roof, they all look up to you. And they all come to you knocking at your door for an advice. But I want to ask... लेकिन मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहती थी कि आपके करियर के दौरान सबसे बेस्ट एडवाइस आपको किसने दी और क्या दी, ताकि हम उससे कुछ सीखें.
I think he said in English, which I couldn't understand what he said at that time. He said, if you want to be successful in life, keep your eyes and ears open while sleeping also. So I translated my own Punjabi and broken Hindi. I said, how anybody can keep his eyes and ears open while sleeping also? And he took a pause and he said, don't go literally what I said, understand the meaning. If you want to be successful, keep your eyes open all the time, know what's happening around the sports. One day you might be the captain of the team. So whatever you see, the captain is not doing right or wrong, you can learn about that. And I think that was the best advice. So I like to learn every day when I come out, what more I can learn and what more I can get knowledge from different people.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you for gracing the occasion with your presence. master, living legend, Mr. Kapil Dev. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause. Request the media to take as many pictures as they like as I step on stage to give the mic to our team principal, Mr. Vidranti Aligiri, to kindly say a few words.
लाइट तो दे
ओके सर नो We take visuals. Is it fine for